Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to 31 Days of Yoga. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Wendy. I am so pleased to have you here today. If you are into health, fitness, and yoga-related videos, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and then while you're at it, click that little bell icon to be notified every time I post, which through the month of January will be every single day. Today I have for you a nice flexibility flow. We'll be getting into the hips, a little bit of the back and the shoulders. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We will need 2 blocks and a strap. So I'll go ahead and meet you on your mat. We're going to start here by setting up our blocks in this T shape. And then we're going to recline down so that that's right about where the bra strap hits. And our other block is supporting our head. We're just going to open up our arms here. You can take your feet out wide and let your knees knock together. Try to find some length through the low back. This is about back bending through the upper back. Take a moment to ground down here with your heart space open. Notice if any sensations arise, if any feelings start to come up. And just recognizing that our heart at this moment is in a relatively vulnerable position. So allowing yourself to breathe into these sensations and accept them how they are. From this place with our hearts open and allowing this vulnerability, let's go ahead and set an intention for our practice. So this intention can be anything that resonates with you today, but allow it to be an inherently positive statement, beginning with the word I. I am capable. I am vulnerable. I am open. Or anything else. And as we move and breathe, allow yourself to return to this intention, connecting the mind to the body, amplifying all the benefits of our practice together. Nice and slow, we might want to use the hands to lift ourselves up. Try not to round out of this right away. It might be tempting, but let's stay lifted. We're going to grab for our strap. Remember, if you don't have a strap at home, you can always use a dog leash, a tie, really anything that looks like this. We'll go ahead and allow your hands to be maybe a little bit more than shoulder width apart, probably about twice that distance. I like to be on my heels for this one, so we're just going to lift the arms up by the head, and then exhale, let them roll back. Good. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. And if you notice that that's really easy, maybe inch your hands a little bit closer. If you notice that it's really hard, inch your hands further away. I like to be at that point where it's kind of difficult, but I can still do it. Good. One more this way. Excellent. Let's come back up towards center. Let's go ahead, drop your right hand all the way down to the ground. So we're going to make a big arch. Try to keep the tension in the strap, so keep pulling. We're going to let ourselves come forward a little bit. Just stretch the arm forward. And we're going to let ourselves come back. So we stretch the arm overhead and behind us. Good. We'll round off. And we'll open. Round off. And open. Good. Just one more. Opening here. Excellent. Come back through center. Lift yourself all the way up, and then let's go to the other side. So left hand comes down onto the ground. Make sure it's a healthy distance away. Really stretch through that arm. Keep the tension on the strap. Open up through the heart space, and then let that arm come forward. Round and look down. Peel the arm back. Start to look up. Arm down. Look down. Good. So just kind of flossing through the shoulders here, working through your mobility. One more. And excellent. Let's just go ahead, set these to the side. Let's go ahead, come up to the front of the mat. Let's take a second here just in our forward fold. We can rock a little bit side to side, walk out through our heels. You can always use blocks underneath your hands. All right, let's go ahead, ground down through the hands, bend the knees as much as you need to let them plant. Okay, from here, go ahead, step the right leg back, keep the knee lifted. Let's inhale, reach the arms up towards the sky. Exhale to just sink a little bit deeper here. Both of our arms sweep forward. Our left arm is going to sweep back. So just coming into a twist here. Maybe sink yourself just a little bit lower. Feel your inner thighs pulling towards each other. Good. From here, we're going to windmill all the way. Warrior two. Now, the legs aren't super important here. It can be a little bit of a shorter warrior two. What's going to matter is the arms. Let's flip the front palm, inhale, reverse the warrior. Let's take that left hand behind the head. If you'd like to, you can grab for the elbow here, just stretching like this. If it's accessible, you could go for cow face pose, trying to link your fingers together behind the back. Breathe wherever you are. And let's go ahead, exhale, unwind. From here, we're going to windmill ourselves down and lower the back knee. Inhale, let's reach the arms up, look up, and let's go ahead, pull the elbows down into the hips. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull down. Inhale, and exhale. Good. From here, set the hands down, tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, turn so that you're facing the right edge of the mat, Skandasana. Nice and slow, nice and low, work your way towards the back edge of the mat. Turn so that you're facing now your right foot. Settle that back knee down. Inhale, reach the arms up. And then exhale, pull the hands into heart center. From here, we're going to start to twist. So link that left elbow onto your right thigh, press into the palms to spiral the heart open. Good. From here, let's come back through center. Settle the hands down, tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, turn yourself back towards Skandasana. Nice and low, nice and slow. Let's make our way to the front. Spin around so we're framing that front foot. Big step to the top. Little bit of effort here. Walk it out. Okay, and then when we're ready, let's go ahead. Step our left foot back. Inhale, reach it up, crescent lunge. Exhale, maybe settle a little bit deeper. Reach both of the arms forward. Right arm sweeps back. Nice twist. Exhale to sink a little bit deeper. Good. From here, we're going to windmill all the way around, warrior two. Once again, the legs aren't super important here, but they are good to set up the foundation. Let's flip the front palm, lift that front arm up, and then take the hand around the back. Maybe we grab for the elbow, like so. Maybe we reach the left arm to join the fingertips together. Finding that bind, hold wherever you find. Breathe into it. And let's release. Windmill the hands down. Frame the front foot. Take the back knee down. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, pull the elbows down and towards the hip points. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, pull down. One more. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, pull down. From here, come back down. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee. Skandasana towards the left edge of the mat. Nice and low, nice and slow, with or without hands. Skandasana to the back. We're going to frame that left foot, settle down the right knee. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, press the palms together. Start to twist towards your left. Link your right elbow onto your left thigh. Press the palms together to spiral the heart open. Remember to breathe. Good. Look down, unwind, tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, Skandasana towards the left edge of the mat, nice and low and slow to the front. Frame the front foot and then step up towards the top of the mat. Little walks here. We'll just add on to that flow just a bit. Step the right leg back, stay lifted. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, both hands forward, reach the left arm back. From here, if you'd like to, you can reverse your revolved crescent lunge, reaching the arm up to the sky. Excellent. Windmill yourself all the way around. Warrior two. Left arm up, right arm down. If you'd like to, take whatever variation of the bind suits your body in this moment. Try to peel that heart open. And release. Windmill the hands down, frame the front foot, come on to the back knee. Inhale, reach the arms up. From here, we're going to exhale. That left arm comes down to the ground. Right arm reaches back and towards the left side. Feeling that quad start to open. Good. Settle that hand down. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, Skandasana towards the right edge of the mat. Low and slow towards the back. Let's frame now the right foot. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, we'll start to initiate the twist. This time, stay lifted. From here, if you'd like to, we can try to reach back with our right hand. Try to grab the foot. Left arm reaches up towards the sky. Kick into your hand to pull yourself back. Exhale, release. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, Skandasana to the right. Move yourself up towards the top of the mat. Frame that front foot and step up. Good. Walk it out a little bit. And let's switch. Finish this up. Left leg steps back. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, both hands come forward. Right arm sweeps back. Exhale, sink just a little bit lower. From here, if you'd like to, you can reverse that revolved crescent lunge. On the exhale, all the way through, warrior two. Right arm up, left arm back. We can go for whatever variation of the bind serves you. Remember, you also have that strap there, so if you want to use that to achieve this bind, go ahead and do so. Good. Unwind. Release yourself back down to the ground. Lower the back knee. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, right hand comes down. Left arm reaches back and to the right. One more inhale. Exhale, take the hands down, tuck the back toe, lift the back knee. Skandasana towards the left, low and slow towards the back of the mat. Frame that front foot and settle down the right leg. Inhale, sweep ourselves up. Exhale, we're going to bring our hands towards heart center. Start to twist. You can stay here. You could try to reach for that back foot. You could try to reach your right arm up towards the sky. Kick into that back foot to lower the chest down, peeling the heart open. Woo. Little struggle on the balance there. That's okay. And exhale, release. Tuck the back toe, lift the back knee, Skandasana towards the front. Big step to the top. All right, from here, let's go ahead and step our left leg back, settle the knee down. We're going to bring our knee down to the ground too, kind of like a pigeon, but not really like a pigeon, because we're bringing our foot right next to our groin, keeping our knee center here. Good. We're going to move into an easier mermaid in the rain variation. At least in my opinion, it's a little bit easier to do it like this than in full pigeon. We're going to plant down through the right hand. You can, of course, use a block. Windmill our left arm back. Try to grab for the foot. This is step one. Go ahead, maybe play right here. Step two would be to notch that foot into the elbow crease. Step three would be to reach the arms up. Step four would be to connect. Breathe here for a moment or two, wherever you are, and let's go ahead and release. We can switch it out just by pulling our left knee forward, taking our right leg back. And let's do the same thing on this side. So left hand to the inside. We're going to swim the right leg back, or the right arm back, to catch that foot. If that feels good, go ahead and stay there. If you'd like a little bit more, try to notch that foot into the elbow crease. If you need a little bit more, try to reach the left arm up towards the sky. A little bit more. We try to bind the hands together. Good. Hold wherever you have achieved. And breathe. Let's go ahead and release. All right, from here, let's just send it back into a child's pose. Allow yourself to mosey on in. Press your forehead into the mat. Rock it a few times side to side. Breathe. Recall that intention that you set for yourself at the beginning of your practice. And allowing this intention to seal to your mind, body, and soul. So even as you walk away from the mat, walk away from your practice, that you may still bring this intention with you wherever you may go. Stay in this child's pose for as long as serves you. The light that's within me honors and acknowledges the light that's within you. And from this seed, from this source, we are literally one. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.